Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to book flight tickets online on Airasia. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Airasia account, which of course I have done right here. Next thing is, how can you create an account on Airasia? Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar of your browser. In your browser, go ahead and type in airasia.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Airasia. Once you get in there, follow through with the on-screen prompt at the top right corner of your screen to create an account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Airasia. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to book flight tickets online on Airasia. From here, this is where you're going to have to add your location flying from, and then here you have add your destination location. If you're booking the flights, please set it to flight. Of course, that's the core of this tutorial, so set it to flight. If it's a one-way trip, go ahead and choose if it's one-way, multi-city, or round trip. And if you want to add people, this is just me. If you want to add a child, use the plus icon or subtract. If you want to add infant below 2 years on travel dates seated on lap, go ahead and use the plus icon. And then here you have travel class. I'm going to select first class for this trip. So now you have promo code. If you have promo code, go ahead and add promo code. And if you just need Airasia flights only, go ahead and check this box. Here you have your departure date. Go ahead and add that and click on the green search button which you have displayed in there. And that takes you to this window where you can now select the flight that you would like to use for this journey. It's loading up. So I'm going to select any of this. Okay, they say you're viewing economy class as first class isn't available for this route. That's fine. So go ahead and click on select. Just select any of the flights. And that takes you to the next window where you can now confirm your flight details. So in here, you're going to have to add here add-ons that you can add. So add a bundle for greater savings, you can add that. And then you have add-ons, baggage allowance, include baggage allowance if you want to. Pick a seat. And if you don't pick a seat, then you're going to be automatically assigned to any seat. Then you have Santan value meal, and add that if you want to add a meal, and of course travel protection. If you need an insurance, you can go ahead and add insurance. So once you're done, go ahead and click on continue. And it takes you to this window. So you're going to have to add your details. Here, I need to add date of birth. Just checking anything random. If you need special assistant, please do add that. If you want to add infant here. And I agree. So check that box. And once you check that box, in here, you're going to have to confirm. All right. It has to be India. Okay. So it's going to be 7428 30894. Okay, go ahead and click on continue. No, I'll cover my own expenses, or yes, I'll cover my trip. Use any of that. and it takes you right next to the next window, which is the payment window. So that takes you here. So this is the last window. We're going to have to add your payment details. So add credit/debit. If you want to add your credit card or your debit card, go ahead and add your card number. Or you can do online banking. This is for online banking desktop windows. So you have all of these options. You can use any of these different banks to make payments. Okay, so use any of this, or you can just use credit card to make payments. And after that, go ahead and click on purchase, and that's going to be it. So you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped your search.